In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new employees to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're expanding your team or just getting started with payroll, setting up each employee correctly is crucial for accurate payroll management and compliance. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or another, and type in quickbooks.intuit.com in the address bar to navigate to the main site. From there, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, but assuming you do, just sign in to access the dashboard. Once logged in, take a look at the menu on your left-hand side. You'll see several options there, but the one we're interested in is payroll. Click on payroll and then select employees from the drop-down that appears. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your employee-related information. Now let's add a new member to your team. Look for the Add an Employee button, which is typically located near the top right of the screen, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the new employee's personal information. This includes their full name, address, and social security number or tax ID. You'll also need to provide an email address if you're planning to use employee self-service features. It's a great way to allow your employees to view their pay stubs and update personal information themselves, which can save you a lot of time down the line. Next, fill in the employment details. You'll have options to set the pay schedule, be it weekly, bi-weekly, or another frequency, as well as the pay rate and type, whether they're salaried or paid hourly. It's also important to specify federal and state tax withholding information to ensure proper compliance with tax regulations. Additionally, take note of any deductions, contributions, or benefits that apply to the employee, as these are integral to their payroll setup. Be thorough here, as these details are crucial for generating accurate paychecks. After entering all the necessary information, take a moment to review it carefully. It's important to ensure there are no inaccuracies or missing details that could cause issues later. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click the Save button to complete the process for this employee. If you have more employees to add, you can simply repeat these steps for each person. It's pretty straightforward, but paying attention to the details will save you a lot of hassle in the future and help make sure your payroll processing stays smooth and error-free. And there you have it, the essential process for adding employees to QuickBooks Online. Keep practicing and you'll find it gets easier each time. Thanks for watching and good luck with managing your team.